Hello everyone, my name is Balázs, but you can call me Bala because that might be easier to pronounce. I came to Penagos from Komló, Hungary. Back home I work as a social worker and I'm also involved in graphic design. This is my first time in Spain and it's my first Erasmus project as well. I have been interested in the program since I first heard about it. Meeting new people from different parts of the world and forming international friendships bring me a joy. Today, we were given the task of creating a short introduction video. I thought I would show you how my journey has been so far. Luckily, I have taken photos and videos, so I hope it conveys the experience.
Looking wild and looking tired and looking for me.
In the past few days, I had the opportunity to visit Santander. I couldn't have imagined it would be such a beautiful and lively place. I would like to share the short film I made about how I saw Santander, one of the nearby cities. I hope you will enjoy it.